boy. Whew, I tell you. Guys, what's happening? Bet you don't know what this is. Right here, broccoli. Got about 20 broccoli plants that are growing my broccoli in a torpedo pot. See, all I did was go to my grower and I bought about 40 plants for $15. And I have broccoli for a long time. So what I came in to do today is to pick some broccoli. Guys, these torpedo pots are designed to grow your food with no human intervention. Once I put my seeds and my plants in that planter, I'm almost guaranteed to have food for the rest of my life. It's just that amazing. Torpedo pot does a great job of growing your food. So I don't care if you have seeds or plants, trees, it doesn't make a difference. Throw them in a torpedo pot. You never water, you never feed. And I'm telling you, dude, you're gonna have a ball. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to pick this broccoli and I'm gonna pick some more. I'm gonna have some in my soup today. Is that okay? See, I saw one back here. Let's see if it's good or not. I'll tell you what. Yeah, I love them, I love them. So I've got a total of about 80 plants, so I have about 80 heads of broccoli. That's assuming that they don't split. So I have 80 heads of broccoli. So I'm literally counting my crop right now. From precision growing, I can determine exactly what I'm going to get, as long as there's not some wild fungus growing somewhere. And right now, these plants look fantastic. Let me show you what they look like. So I can pull one out. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Now let's try you. See, these are torpedo pots. With torpedo pot, all you do is throw your seeds and your plants in these planters and they grow your food for you. You never ever have to grow your food again. It's a waste of time because it does it organically. You never water, you never feed, and I get 80 heads of broccoli. Dude, that's amazing. It's truly amazing. I'm so excited. Doesn't that look good? You see what's so good about this right here? Is that, look at the stems. Look, they're fleshy. What does that mean? Well, it means that they're edible. And what does that mean? That means the whole plant is edible. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it in today. I'm gonna cook it down, soften it up, because it's tender. See, this is the type of growth you get in a torpedo pot. It's all tender, it's all young, it's all healthy. In the ground, you don't get stuff like this all the time. It's hard, putting a law of averages, hoping that they're mature at the same time. Not with torpedo pot. You put your seeds in a planter, you put your plants in that planter, and it grows your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. And guess what? It tastes so good. I like it. I like it. Wow. There's no going wrong with so delicious. Oh, it's very good. Well, I'm going to carry this in and I'm going to eat it. I just want you guys to know what you can do with your broccoli. Now, if I have a total of 80 plants, 80 heads of broccoli, and I get the food with the leaves and everything else, how many of these can you eat with one meal? So with just 2 people, well, that would be 40 days. 4 people, with 20 days. And so you can go straight down to find out exactly what it would take to feed you. And so that's what torpedo pot does. It feeds you. So you don't have to worry about food anymore. All I do is put my seeds in here, put my plants in this planter, and I'm walking away. And I get nutritious food everywhere I go. Torpedo pot is the place to be. Talk to you guys later. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, I feel better now.